So another Chinese company, Alibaba, recently released, or today actually released, another massive AI model called the Qwen 2.5 Max, and they're beating DeepSeek, OpenAI, Llama, and Claude, and all these different metrics. Again, I want to be clear, they're not claiming these metrics are not a comparison of the recently released DeepSeek R1 model, which again is a reasoning model. This is specifically talking about and comparing the models that are non-reasoning model, meaning your regular DeepSeek V3, the Llama 3.5 with the 405 billion parameter, which is an open source model, and then also the GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet. Again, these are the non-reasoning model, but still it's incredibly impressive of how fast and how amazing this particular model is compared to even these closed models from GPT-4s and Claude as the were. So this article is great because this goes through, I'm going to put the link in the description to this particular article. This goes to show you exactly how all these models are being trained, the performance, and it compares everything compared to DeepSeek V3, GPT-4, and everything else. So make sure you check it out if you want to find more details about all of the different parameters that they're comparing to. But it is amazing. It looks incredible. So I'm going to show you how to use this model along with these other models that are being released, because it looks like nowadays every other day there's a new model that are coming in the market. So if you're going to use this inside your workflows and NNN, for instance, then I want to make sure you're aware of how to take a look at these different models that are hitting the market and also how to use them easily. So I'm going to show you several methods to use them. Again, this is not going to be like a full step-by-step solution because I just wanted to point out the different parameters and know also how to use these types of models inside your workflows. So I am in my workflow right here. So again, like I said, I will point out several ways. But whenever a model like this gets released, so right now I'm on Qwen 2.5 Max announcement GitHub page. Again, this is on qwenlm.github.io. So this is where they give you all of the different metrics, and then also they give you instructions on how to use this. So the easiest way to use it right now, because of the fact that it's not available on OpenRouter and Hugging Face, but I'm pretty sure in the next day or two they're going to add it. I mean, this literally got released like today, or yesterday, which is January 28th, as you can see right here. So it's literally hitting the market now. So that's why it's not on OpenRouter on Hugging Face right now. But again, in the next day or two, I'm pretty sure they're going to add it. So the easiest way to always obviously access these new models is through NNN. However, you have to understand that a lot of these models do not support tool use, meaning that inside your NNN, so when you add an AI agent, so let me go ahead and go to my AI agent here. So when you're adding a model, a chat model right here, whether it's done through your OpenAI chat to reach out to OpenRouter, or whether it's done through Grok or Llama, you want to make sure that you know that these models are supporting tool use, because otherwise it's going to give an error. And the way to do that, for example, in OpenRouter, it's very easy to do. You'll come to the models right here. And again, this is the homepage. If you just click on pricing or whatever, this will bring you to all the different models. And you can actually come to the left-hand side here. As you can see, supported parameters. If you just click on tools, this will show you all of the different models that have use case. So for example, if I were to get rid of that quickly, let me just quickly search DeepSeek, because I was doing videos earlier and I realized most people kept saying that, oh, it's giving me an error. That's because, again, DeepSeek R1 does not support tool use. So if I go back here and toggle or add this filter of tools, now you see only DeepSeek V3 supports tool use. So that's how you can check that these models support tool use or not, and whether you can use it inside your NNN AI agent. Again, just because you're using this filter doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be accurate. So you would have to actually go test it out. But just this is a good way to filter at least like all of the different models. But anyways, as you can see, when I click on tools here, and if I search for Qwen now, only this Qwen 2.5 72 billion instruct model is the one that supports the tool use. So that's why I'm pretty sure that the 2.5 Max is going to support tool use as well as soon as it's available in OpenRouter. So I don't think it should be an issue, which would be amazing. But anyways, so on Hugging Face, same thing. You can actually grab this from Hugging Face, but it's current. But right now, because of the fact that it's not in OpenRouter or Hugging Face, the best way to actually access this is via their API. The other method, obviously, is to use OpenRouter. And the way to do that is, let me get rid of this. The same thing if I add an AI agent. Grab that. So what you will do is you will utilize your OpenAI chat model. And then here you'll use your OpenAI router. So you will have your API key from your OpenRouter API key, and you can get that from your account. And then you will put the base URL. This will be your base URL. And then basically you're done with authentication or with your credentials. You'll come back, and then on the model itself, so you'll go to fixed, and then you will delete this and just manually copy. So for example, if I wanted to use this, for instance, right, I would just manually copy the name right here. Come back. So again, whenever it's available, when you see the Qwen 2.5 Max, this is exactly what you'll do. You'll come back, you'll add that here, and then you are pretty much done now. So now I can literally interact with this. Hello. As you can see, it's reaching out to OpenRouter. There you go. Perfect. So now again, let me double check actually to see whether this has tool use case or not. So let me just add a Wikipedia tool. Let me see here. Again. Yep, it looks like it's working. So if it didn't have the tool use case, it would actually add an error here. So the way to double check this, again, because I had mentioned deepseek R1 is a reasoning model, and that does not have a, let me see here, let me go back, deepseek R1. Yeah, it was this one. So if I copy this, so this was the reasoning model. Now if I go back to my workflow here and paste the model here. So now let's check again. So now if I say hi, you see it's giving me an error. It says error in subnode OpenAI chat model, no endpoints found to support tool use. So that's how you can tell. So again, like I said, it's very, very simple. You can, on OpenRouter, you can actually filter by tool use, and that will most of the time it's very accurate. Like I said, to do all the models that support your tool use. So that's the best way and quickest way to use it. All right. Well, that was a quick way to access the Qwen 2.5 Max and all the other models that are hitting the market. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys, because I get a lot of questions asked about how to use these newer models that are hitting the market. So I just wanted to show you guys how to use that on your workflows. Again, if it's not available in OpenRouter, Hugging Face, or Ollama, or Grok, you can literally use that HTTP node to directly access their APIs. So that's the best way to use it. But then of course the caveat to that is that if you're using it inside your workflow via an HTTP node, then you're not going to be able to have an interaction with the agent directly as a tool. So that's why you have to basically use it almost like an orchestration agent, right? Where then you're routing your agent capability to an actual AI agent inside, and then where then you can add an OpenAI chat model or any of these AI models that actually support tool use keys, right? So that's where kind of the give and take comes in. But anyway, like I said, most likely in the next couple of days, this will be available in OpenRouter and Hugging Face and Ollama, and even probably Grok as well. So that way you can use it from there. All right. Well, hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're serious about learning how to build amazing AI agents, make sure you join the school community. We have 600 of the smartest people and the most passionate people about AI to build automations. We have a great classroom section. We have calendars where you can jump in and ask questions in different calls, live builds, business, how to make money with AI and automation, and much, much more. I'll put the link in the description. I'll hopefully see you on the inside. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one.